Hello everyone, welcome to our website. Now, let me show you our factory tour to know more about us. Founded in 1987, we specialize in products research and development, mold making, manufacturing, R&D, QC department. We have own mold department, injection department, body department, assembly department. At present, we have 7 production line skilled workers to do the assembly works and exporting. These products are our typical representatives. Go website to know more about us.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.